Good morning. My name is Emilia.
My name is Juan.
My name is Jason.
My name is Kimberly.
We are going to teach you about blizzards. Blizzards are snowstorms. They form when warm air rises over cold air. Blizzards can have temperature of 10 degrees Fahrenheit or lower.
Blizzards bring lots of snow and ice very quickly. Winds can also blow very fast.
How to stay safe from a blizzard? You need a blanket and lots of warm clothing. Make sure to wear several layers. Have extra food where you are. You should not drive during a blizzard. It is hard to see and roads could be unsafe.
During a blizzard, you need to be inside.
Spending too much time outside could cause frostbite.
Don't forget to stay safe.